Right guys, it's a stable edge shed video. Weldathon. As you can see, I've been welding like it's 1999. We gotta do this. This is the next on the agenda, this thing, which is gonna have to deal with. I don't quite know what I'm gonna do there yet. I haven't decided. I'm gonna think of something. But that coupled with the other bits of repair, I think should accomplish what I'm actually achieving. I mean, the back's coming out too bad, but I've still got those holes to sort out in the bottom of the A post, the B post, sorry. The A posts are done, brace them up lovely. They've all come out fantastic. Tunnel, dress fishing tunnel, back to the boot floor is lovely. Range arm cups, yeah, made. Got templates made. You will see all that drawn out on the papers. Sorry about the bright light, but I'm having trouble with Miguel. Miguel's giving me grief. Don't know what he's doing. He didn't seem to want to. I don't know whether it's an earth problem or something. There's something wrong with Miguel, and he's not really working very well. I don't know what's going on with him. I don't know whether he's got an earth issue, but what is it? Well, I hate it when Miguel doesn't come together because it's very hard. So anyway, God, yeah, it's wrong. I mean, this side's actually brilliant because it's right and dry. I don't know why, but this side's okay. But this side, nah, look at this. I think the heater box has been leaking for years. Now this is actually quite solid, so I'm going to cut this out, drill these spot welds, pull that off. I'm going to replace it with a piece of our mate here called Tinmageddon. I think sculpting it around, grinding it off, job's good, and I think I'll do it. What do you think? You can tell me it's crap. I'm not. See all these pipes. I took all the transfer pipes out. They're all down on the floor. Now I'm not using them. I'm not putting the booster turbo. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it that way. I'm not doing the bright Jaguar brake system. So that's it. So the heater transfer pipes, which is only two with the stop control, I could turn them through 90 degrees. There's a very good likelihood that might be going. If it isn't going, it'll be replaced with maybe a couple of 10mm chopper tubes, and they'll go straight into the heater box via an inline stop control, which I've got some of those Chinese ones. So it won't be Jaguar, it won't be factory, but it'll work, and it'll work probably better than what it will be. I'm going to uprate the heater fan to maybe something else, whatever I can find. And at the moment, as you can see, I just keep finding hole after hole after hole. I mean, this thing is pretty rusty, but it ain't gonna beat me. COVID might beat me, but this thing is not going to. So I'm gonna say to you guys that I'm gonna keep doing it until either it gives up or I give up. I can do that panel. I can replace that with a bulkhead. I think this here, I'm sort of tempted to say if I could get the spot welds here, I'll take this off, put this bulkhead in, sculpt it there, and then replace that. These I had to grind off, so I've got to redrill and tap those anyway, so not the end of the world. And in reality, the rest of it, it's not a big issue. I mean, taking note, look, that has not been disturbed. Not took it off. There it is, the original plate. Okay, so yeah, so don't ever say I've altered anything. I bloody haven't. I might put the frame rail on. Oh, this hole is constant, so is that one. They've not moved. So I think from that point of view, I think I probably won't have to worry too much those two. And I don't think these two should be fine, and these two might move, but those two are going to have to chop out because that's just hanging. But it is still attached up under there. I don't know whether you can see, whether you want to see, even if you're not interested. Don't look then. Don't look. Save your eyes. Save your eyes, mate. Anyway, so what we're going to say is, you can see daylight. But, no, we don't get it. I'm going to try now and do those last two bits of welding, or the bits on the inner floor. I'm fabricating a new bit of bulkhead. As you know, I had a slight bit of corrosional issue, so I've had to redo the plate on the main mounting plate, and I've had to redo a panel into the bulkhead. I've had to do a mounting into the heater, and also a bit up under there, as you can see. So we're getting plenty of rust coming out of it. But today, seatbelt mounts are obviously, I think I showed you, don't know. Got a few more bits and pieces to do there, but today I'm hoping that welding wise, that's the basis. I'm going to fixie this into here, grind it off, and the same on the other side. And then tidy that around there, reservoir bottle goes here, heater box goes there, blanket plate, end of story, job's good. And that's it. We've got lots of welding done. We've got a bulkhead repair that no doubt we'll get loads of comments on, going, are you sure? Would you trust that? I would, because I know that if behind that sill there's a bit of one box section right to the back. But you can't see that, but I can. And everything there's over-engineered. All the metal is thicker than what it should be. All the welds are more frequent than they ought to be. And all the fillers are going to be more thicker. And the Marcus is made of fiberglass. And it's structural fiberglass.
There'll be plenty of that in here.
And in here, I'll tell you what, if David's Isopod was still going for the old boys, he's going to have his work cut out on this bugger, I'll tell you. You know, if you like the video, please just click on that little bell thing so you get alerts to give my channel a boost. And I hope you're enjoying some of this, because I'll tell you what, remember, I'm down here doing it for myself. I'm recording it for you lot, because you're sitting home and you're not having to go through this. Talk to you soon, guys. Like and subscribe. Follow me about. And if you enjoy the videos, press the little bell thing so you get alerts for when we upload some more dribble. But for the minute, this is coming on. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.